Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and let's find additional settings. Here we've got languages and input, so let's tap and let's choose the languages. As you can see here, we've got English chosen, and we've just opened the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me pick, for example, this one. And as you can see, it immediately changes and the whole system is now in a changed language. In order to choose English again, then simply go back to the list and choose the English. And as you can see, it also immediately changes. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.